Hello everyone, my name is Micah Butalid. I am a fourth-year health studies student at the University of Regina. I had the opportunity to do my fieldwork placement at Astonished. Astonished is a nonprofit organization partnered with the University of Regina that provides opportunities for young adults with complex physical disabilities to be involved in the community. Astonished focuses on addressing barriers so young adults with complex physical disabilities can fully engage in programs and opportunities that will help discover their strengths and capabilities. My role as a placement student is to plan programs for the core members, attend weekly staff meetings and monthly leadership meetings where we plan for social club events, work with a student researcher to help her achieve her goals for the semester, grant writing, and assist with the Astonished Annual Spring Gala. For my special project, I implemented a 3-part nutrition series workshop where I discussed about various topics related to health and nutrition. For session 1, I presented about the Canada Food Guide and nutrients that our body needs. For session 2, I presented about the food labels and daily caloric planning. For session 3, I presented about healthy eating habits, effective grocery shopping, food safety, fad diets, the dietary needs of individuals who use a wheelchair, tube feeding, and puree diet. I also created a poster to promote the workshop among the core members, and a nutrition workbook that includes different activities for each session so that the core members will be engaged throughout the entire workshop. I also created a budget for the food and drinks for each session because meals are provided with every session. Next is the gratitude workshop where I discuss about the benefits of gratitude and the different ways to practice gratitude. The purpose of my special project is to educate the core members about balanced nutrition, smart food choices, and how they can practice healthy lifestyle, and also by teaching them ways to practice gratitude that will benefit them in their everyday lives. The nutrition series workshop started on the 3rd week of March, and each session was 2 weeks apart. The gratitude workshop started on the 2nd week of April, and it is a 1-day program. The workshops gave the core members an opportunity to discuss and ask questions about topics related to health and gratitude, while at the same time incorporating fun-related activities to keep them engaged. My supervisor said that the workshops developed the knowledge of the core members related to the topics discussed. I learned the importance of creating a program that is in the best interest of the core members and ensuring that they will gain knowledge and benefit from it. I also enhanced my confidence in public speaking. My project was successful because the core members were able to understand and put into practice the things that they learned from the workshops. For session 3, we were not able to do the fries tasting activity that I initially planned, but we were still able to do the second activity where we look at the nutritional value of the pita wraps. What would have I done differently is to simplify some of the information on the PowerPoint, and second is to consistently project my voice loud and clear, because there were instances where people on Zoom did not hear me properly. The nutrition workshop contributed to Astonished by opening up the idea of creating a workshop series related to health in the next upcoming semesters. It can be series about mental health, reproductive health, and many more. It is also the first ever nutrition series workshop at Astonished. The gratitude workshop benefited the core members by teaching them ways to practice gratitude, especially in these difficult times. Having the privilege to implement and lead the 2 workshops have developed my program planning, communication, leadership, and budgeting skills. I was also able to accomplish my learning objectives by gaining experience and enhancing those skills. The most valuable aspect of working on my project was gaining a practical experience in program planning that will surely enhance my career development after I graduate.